Hi guys, my name is Angelica and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing great and staying safe at home. In today's video, I want to show you 3 really easy budget-friendly hacks on how to make your own spa at home. I will make avocado face mask, coffee body scrub and egg hair mask. For all of these recipes, I'm using only the goodies which I found in my kitchen, so I believe you can find all these ingredients as well, so you won't have to even leave your house and you can just take care of yourself tonight. So if you run out of your daily care products or you just simply want to try some fully natural cosmetics made by yourself, just join me in today's video. For this beauty product, we will need brown sugar, coffee grounds. You can use fresh or used coffee grounds, and coconut oil. Now take a bowl and combine all ingredients together. I'm using 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Brown sugar, because of its texture, gently remove dead skin cells. 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds. The caffeine in coffee helps stimulate and promote healthy circulation, which can help reduce the appearance of cellulite. And 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil leaves your skin super hydrated and soft in touch. Mix them all together until you get consistent paste. During your shower, simply apply some of your scrub on your hands and rub your whole body. Then rinse with warm water. All you need is 1 egg yolk. If you have longer hair, you can add 1 extra. Lemon juice. I don't have fresh lemon at home, so I'm using this one. The best for this recipe would be virgin olive oil, but you can even use normal oil. Add few drops of lemon juice to the bowl with egg yolk. Then pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix everything together until well combined. Wet your hair and apply mixture on their length. Wrap in the towel and leave for about 20 minutes. Then wash your hair as normal using shampoo and warm water. For face mask you will need squeezy honey, lemon juice, half of banana, and half of avocado. Mash banana with avocado in the bowl. Honey has natural antibacterial properties, avocado extremely hydrating your skin, when banana helps lighten the dark spots on your face. Add few drops of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of honey. Continue mashing all ingredients together until it's smooth consistency. Apply the mask all over your face and massage it well. Best result, leave mask for about 15 minutes and rinse off with warm water. So there we go, our 3 super easy natural beauty products. Hope you enjoyed this video and you will try at least one of this recipe. Let me know in the comment down below if you got any natural beauty product which can be made at home. I love mine because they're super easy, cheap, and usually I found all the ingredients I need in my kitchen. So if I want to make spa day, I just go to the kitchen and make one of them. So if you like this video, please click the like button and consider subscription. Thank you for watching and see you next time.